Today, you are stepping into the future, the science of MagnaWave machines. In today's environment, there are many factors that can affect your animal's well-being. From the food they eat to their activity level, animal owners want to ensure that their animals are happy and healthy. This is where MagnaWave comes in. MagnaWave can help animals of all types and sizes improve their overall wellness. Our machines have been used safely throughout the world for decades to help animals feel their best. Each time your animal has a MagnaWave session, they will start to feel rejuvenated and recharged. MagnaWave is said to work at the cellular level to reduce inflammation and pain, creating a healthy environment for cells to thrive. MagnaWave is a safe, drug-free option to promote wellness in your animals. Wave on to better health with MagnaWave.